Hi, it's Monday, March 29, 2010. I'm Dennis Hudson at OrangeQuant.com. Hopefully with just a quick update on my trade positions over there at that Wall Street Survivor contest, WallStreetSurvivor.com contest, where right now I'm using paper money over there and waiting for this market to top out the end of the month. And then I'm going to be getting in with real funds. Just want to update you on how that trade is going, and Guido is sulking. He's not even speaking to us today, so you just won't have the pleasure of hearing Guido's comments. And this logo is about to disappear from the middle of the screen, so hang on. I think I can bring something up though. Let us look at okay, let's look at first the bright side of what I've been doing, the upside. This is your daily chart of the SPY, and as you know, I called Friday as an inflection, and I stuck to that, and Friday was indeed an inflection. You can see the lower high and the lower high right there, and the lower low down there compared to Thursday, and then it's confirmed as an inflection today, Monday, because Monday went up. Okay, in other words, Monday had a higher high and a higher low. So that's one way an inflection can work. The other ways works in reverse. Alright, but the problem with that forecast was that I somehow in my analysis missed the Thursday inflection, which put Monday as a downward inflection, which put Friday as a downward inflection, meaning that today, Monday, I was going to get killed out here. Which I did, and I mentioned that in my Friday or Saturday update on this. I forgot what it was. So, stuff happens, Guido. What can I tell you? Here's how we look position-wise, and even though we called that, we missed that whipsaw. That really bugs me. Okay, here we are at Wall Street Survivor, and you can see, let me slide this over a little bit. You can see that on the stocks, that is the ETFs, with the SPY, we're not getting beat up too badly. We paid 116.32 for it. It's up to 117.32. That isn't too bad on the SPY, and also on Hartford. And the percentages, just so you can see the percentage, let me scoot over a bit. We're down 0.86% on the SPY ETF, and down 1.55% on Hartford stock. Now, as you notice down below, however, we're getting crushed on the option trades, and but that does happen in options. You can be down that much 1 minute and up 3 times that much in the next minute. But it's one of those cases where it was really, as I pointed out at the start of the trade, this is very risky what I was doing, and it has proven that it had a lot of risk in it. So I'm just saying I messed this up. If I get out green on the options, I'll be very lucky. And I guess our success rate on calling inflections is probably knocked down now from 87 down to about 75, I would expect, because as Guido has pointed out to me, I have blown it 2 weeks in a row, so it's time to fess up. That does happen. Statistically, things don't always go in an even distribution. In fact, they tend not to do so. So let's hope I'm getting my hard licks right now, and in a bunch like this, as Dr. Benoit Mandelbrot pointed out, market things tend to come in threes. So let's hope I got my lumps here, and we're done. All right, I'm Dennis Hudson at OrangeQuant.com. And thanks for joining me. We'll keep you updated here. Let me Guido, you still sulking? You gotta come out of the sulk, dude. Talk to the people. Maybe we'll get him to talk to you tomorrow. Okay.